the leader of fire-resistant glass that protects our lives from the flames and thick smoke of 1,000 degrees. A company specializing in fire-resistant glass. Sujung Safety Glass Company Limited. In July 2021, the Ministry of Land, Infrastructure and Transport revised the Building Act fire protection rules to mandate the installation of fire-resistant glass windows in some buildings. According to the amended regulation, if the distance of the adjacent ground boundary of the building is less than 1.5 meters, it is mandatory to install a fire-resistant window with a performance for fire integrity for at least over 20 minutes. In the event of a fire, Sujung Safety Glass's fire-resistant glass blocks fire and, unlike concrete or brick, enables easy evacuation by enabling visibility, as well as withstands flames for the required evacuation time. Our fire-resistant glass blocks fires and smoke of about 1,000 degrees for a certain period of time to prevent the fire from spreading to adjacent areas, thereby preventing damage to human life and helping to extinguish fires to protect our lives and assets. 6T, 8T, 10T fire-resistant glass is a transparent fireproof glass composed of a single plate without a wire mesh inside of the glass and shows fireproof performance for fire integrity, 60 minutes, 90 minutes. By maintaining transparency for a long time in the case of fire. Transparent vision can be secured, so it can effectively cope with evacuating of the insiders and suppression of fire. 8T fire-resistant glass is made of borosilicate glass, so it has excellent thermal shock performance and strong fire resistance, even against sudden temperature changes. 24T fire-resistant insulating glass unit is a fireproof glass with an air layer between multiple glasses, which has an excellent thermal insulation function. Since fire-resistant glass is used instead of float glass, which is mainly used to make insulating glass unit, it has an excellent high performance with a thermal insulation effect in ordinary times and has a fire resistance performance of 120 minutes in emergencies. It has excellent mechanical strength and can be used for a long time without deformation, even under external moisture and prolonged UV exposure. Unlike conventional fire-resistant glass, Sujung Safety Glass's fire-resistant glass is not manufactured using potassium ion substitution chemicals. Instead, it is manufactured using high-temperature heat and wind pressure of rapid cooling. It is not only eco-friendly, but can also be produced very quickly, which makes it efficient and effective. The leader of high performance, high quality of fire-resistant glass. Tempered glass, laminated glass, and insulating glass unit that protects our lives and assets from disasters. A company specializing in processed glass. Sujung Safety Company Limited. Sujung Safety Company Limited is a leader in manufacturing laminated glass that provides a beautiful and safe space. As a specialized safety glass manufacturing company, Sujung Safety provides a beautiful space with colorful glass and a safe space with impact-resistant glass. Laminated glass is a glass that is perfectly adhered by inserting a polyvinyl butyrol film between multiple glasses, completely removing the air between the glasses, and then raising the temperature and pressure to greater than or equal to 130 degrees. As a glass used in various safety-required spaces, it is mainly used for transportation facilities, buildings, show windows, and so forth. The windshield of a car corresponds to laminated glass. For our comfortable space, laminated glass can be applied with various colors. Depending on the color of the film used, a variety of colors can be realized. It blocks 99% of the sun's ultraviolet rays, so it is resistant to deterioration and discoloration of objects. As a representative safety glass, it has excellent shock absorption and a low breakage rate. Even if glass breaks, scattering of glass fragments is prevented, so it is very safe. Furthermore, holes do not appear due to breakage, so it can also prevent theft. With the technology and know-how of Sujung Safety Glass, it is finished with bonding machine line composed of convection, and it is possible to realize clear and transparent glass without distortion of the projected image by evenly distributing the heat conduction on the glass surface, without surface curvature or air bubbles that may frequently occur. The leading manufacturer of laminated glass, tempered glass, insulating glass unit, fire-resistant glass, and special glass. We emphasize comfort and provide a beautiful and safe space. A company specializing in safety glass, Sujung Safety Company Limited. Insulating glass unit is made up of 2 layers of glass, which creates a cool and warm space for a comfortable and pleasant life. A leader in insulating glass unit and a specialized company in processed glass. Sujung Safety Glass Company Limited. Insulating glass unit is a glass in which 2 or more sheets of glass are kept at regular intervals with a dedicated spacer, and the periphery is sealed with metal or sealing adhesive. As a representative double-layered glass, it has excellent sealing power, so it is mainly used in railways, airports, exhibition halls, and buildings. The insulating glass unit of Sujung Safety Glass is largely divided into 2 types. TPR thermoplastic insulated double glazing glass is manufactured with at least 2 sheets of glass and a spacer with a layer of dry air. Its excellent sealing power reduces the amount of heat energy escaping through the window. Therefore, there is almost no condensation. It has insulation, anti-condensation, and sound insulation effects. Its insulation gas filled between the glasses provides much better insulation and anti-condensation than the general insulating glass unit, as well as provides a neat appearance. TPR laminated triple insulating glass unit is a safety glass grafted with laminated glass on the insulating glass unit. This is the most representative glass for construction insulation that attaches and confines a thermoplastic spacer, sealing with silicone after injecting argon gas between 2 or more sheets of glass. By injecting gas and applying a heat insulating bar into soft low-E glass and laminated glass in the form of insulating glass unit, it enhances the performance of windows in terms of insulation and condensation prevention, thus demonstrating excellent insulation, sound insulation, and condensation prevention effects. Applying laminated glass to the insulating glass unit can further enhance the UV protection effect. It blocks up to 95% of UV rays, and if laminated insulating glass unit is applied to the exterior window, there is no need for a handrail, so an excellent view can be secured. A transparent, high-adhesive PVB film is inserted between the 2 sheets of glass to ensure perfect adhesion at a high temperature and high pressure. Safety is ensured, as PVB film does not penetrate easily or scatter when damaged. It is difficult to break through the glass from the outside, so security is enhanced. Above all, because PVB film is resistant to shock, the probability of glass damage from natural disasters, such as typhoons and earthquakes, is reduced due to excellent resistance to wind pressure. The insulating glass unit of Sujung Safety Glass is applied with TPR insulation bar. TPR insulation bar is a high-quality material, and unlike conventional aluminum bar, there is no gas loss injected through the seam, and the thermal conductivity is maximized to complete glass with excellent insulation performance. The leader of insulating glass unit: tempered glass, laminated glass, fire-resistant glass, and special glass, making our space comfortable and provides a pleasant and beneficial life. A company specializing in processed glass, Sujung Safety Company Limited.